Welcome back to My Head Fills the Entire Screen.
Welcome back to Taste, Try, Travel, our second video here at Animal Kingdom.
We have lots planned. I can't remember what it is. What do we have planned? Tell them, Beth.
We have for sure to do several rides here in Asia and Africa, is where we're going to spend the rest of our day.
We got some holiday treats coming up.
Yay! And we're looking for some Disney pins, so we'll be checking out some of the merch stores. So join us
as we make today a jungly adventure.
This is a super fun way to see the characters. It's unexpected. I kind of like that better than the old way where they were always in just one spot and you just lined up to see them. Here they just kind of pop in and out, so that's fun.
What you doing?
Music is playing. I'm gonna get popcorn. You just walk and it smells so good. Hi, a popcorn, please. This is the perfect Disney snack. Ah, and I dropped it on the ground.
About Animal Kingdom is the detail at this park. It is incredible. I love all these old posters that they have, the signs and posters they have all over the park. And one of the things I found out from working here is these are all paper. So they naturally degrade and fall off the walls, and they'll print new ones and put it over it so it looks like it's been used. Love this park.
If you have a stroller in your boarding via standby, you're just going to bring those strollers with you and they will park them for you at the queue.
At all times, as well as remain seated for the entire duration of this ride. So it's like if they had
we got on Kilimanjaro safaris at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Perfect time for a nap.
Exactly. So that's why we saw a lot of animals napping. But we did see a lot of animals. Usually when you do it in the afternoon, right around this time, you don't see a whole lot. So we were taking our chances with this. The best times, obviously, for Kilimanjaro safaris is the morning and the evening when it's very cool. That's when most of the animals come out. So I just noticed that this map is on the exit from Kilimanjaro safaris, just stuck to a pole right here, and you can see the whole safari route. What an awesome little detail.
The fun thing about Disney is each of their parks has a different themed Christmas tree. So this one can't find anywhere else.
Welcome to Asia.
It smells delicious here. Oh, and that's why.
That ended perfectly on time.
Because of the feathered friends in flight?
No, the Yak and Yeti restaurant.
That's the feathered friends in flight.
No, it says Yak and Yeti. Oh.
There are no fried chickens in the feathered friends in flight.
All right, well, listen, it still smells delicious here. Yak and Yeti restaurant is in front of us, I guess. Squirrel.
How are you?
Hey, can I get the gingerbread latte iced? Yay, we found our holiday drink.
Ice gingerbread?
Thank you. Our straws right here?
Yes. Caramel.
Yes, I see it. Thank you. Ooh, those are the agave straws. Iced gingerbread latte. Pretty good. Holiday in a cup. Huh. I lost it.
Is that it?
Is this it?
Right here.
This stone right here? You know why this stone is special? Because if you stand on it and you look right here, the little temple lines up directly, almost perfectly. Actually, it is perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Woo! With Mount Everest. Did you know that trick?
Now you blew my mind.
Wow. You're only supposed to spin those clockwise according to legend. Okay, quick review of what we're doing next. Disney no longer has fast passes to bypass the standby line anymore. They've changed that to the lightning lane. Now, if you purchase a Genie Plus per day, per $15 per person per day, you kind of get like an itinerary and a best way to make use of your time, and you get access to most of the rides in the park's lightning lane. But there's 2 rides per park that you have to pay addition to that, in addition to the $15 per person. So here at Animal Kingdom, that was the Flight of Passage, which was $11 per person today, and Expedition Everest, which was $7 per person. We chose not to pay for the Genie and just buy the lightning lane, and that's where we're headed now. Our window to return was between 4 and 5 o'clock. That's what time it is, so we're getting ready to go on now. You want to be in the first row?
Got it. Somebody's got to get that fixed.
That's the best ride ever. That's the best roller coaster, isn't it?
I agree.
Fantastic. Okay, Lightning Lane, $7 a piece. We walked right on. So we saved what, 45 minutes or so?
Yep.
Standing in line?
Yep.
100% would do that again. Now, we did ask to be in the front, so we did have to wait a train or two, but I think the front is fantastic. Is the Yeti fixed?
I don't think the Yeti's fixed, but his arm seemed
looks
like
a
it
little
was
bit
in a different direction, wasn't
Yeah. Anyway, when you're at the top of that ride, you can see 100 miles. 100 miles. Am I exaggerating? You can see 50 miles.
it? 1,000 miles.
You can see to the ocean.
Say whatever. Nobody's going to measure it.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
When you go backwards and upside down in the dark.
Yeah. You get a little disoriented.
Yeah. I love it.
What were we searching for before this that we could not find?
All right, so they had a peppermint swirl ice cream at, what was the name of the place? Do you remember?
The ice cream bus.
The ice cream bus. I don't know why I could remember that.
It was called something else. I don't remember.
Some truck. I don't remember the name of it now. Anyway, they had a peppermint swirl, and I was so looking forward to it. And they don't have it right now. So I don't know if it's coming later, if we're a little too early. But if it's here next time we're at Animal Kingdom, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. If not, I'll let you know that it's not here this year, because I know that's a popular one.
These are my little bag of trader pins. So these are pins that I've collected that I don't want. So I just put them in a little bag, and then when I see pins around the park that I like, we can trade them. I think that's a little baby chip with some acorns.
Yes.
Yes, I would like that one, please.
Very cute. Yours
Got that
goes in
in
here.
I keep my bag.
Yes, you keep the bag.
And that's. Can you see it? Does everyone know the trick to tell Chip and Dale apart?
Is it okay if we look in the box?
What is
You
it?
ask?
Sorry.
It's been allowed.
The little dark, the black or really dark brown nose is Chip for chocolate chip. So we know this is Chip. And again, I collect pins with any type of food on it. So he's got little acorns. And actually Chip and Dale have the most food-related pins. So I tend to get a lot of Chip and Dale as it is. So one successful pin found. Let's keep looking. What? Did I miss one?
Well, you're not for you, but
Oh.
I love it.
Oh, that's neat.
The worst taxi ride in the world.
Do you want to get that?
I might get that, yeah.
Oh, there's Remy.
Angry.
What's that from?
Oh, that describes you.
Caution, hangry. Stand clear. I love it. That might be one I get. Let's see. Here's Remy. That looks like a funny version, doesn't it? Like a cheap sketch of Remy?
Yeah.
I don't know. Not a fan of that.
There's Forky.
Oh, I'm just happy to be here. Grape soda, that's neat.
We had something.
No, I
like
have a
that, don't
flat one of that. I don't have the three-dimensional one. Wow. Look how beautiful that is.
we? Wow, they're getting a little.
And fancy.
Yep.
You like those?
Yeah.
All right.
Do we have any discounts with us today?
We have annual passes.
Perfect.
How do I show
I
you
just
that?
need you to see your annual pass and your ID.
Can I just show you it on my Disney experience?
Mhm.
So, just click the tickets and passes.
Perfect. And do you have your ID with you?
Chris, that one is on you. Do you have your wallet?
Yes.
Grab it.
And would you like a bag for these?
Please.
Yeah. If you have a little bag.
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Okay.
It's going to be $28.08. Perfect. And we're paying with cash.
I found the only holiday treat, I think, in Animal Kingdom. What we're finding out is we're right as they're rolling out a lot of their Christmas stuff. They had a lot of pumpkin things, but not a lot of Christmas things. I got the holiday caramel apple that's shaped like Santa's
No, he's upside down.
belly?
No, you're
those are
upside
his
down.
thighs?
You're upside down.
How do you eat it like this, though?
You got it. How do you always eat Mickey? Ears first.
Ears first. Sugar.
Get a nice big bite of apple.
If you watched any of our videos before, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of super sweet desserts, so a big mouthful of sugar isn't a great way to start. But I wonder if is this edible? I would assume
Everything's edible, yeah.
It looks like a piece of felt, though. That's probably the way they designed it. All right. You know what? That's very good. Maybe I should be getting more caramel apples in my life. It is, it's a Granny Smith, so it's not super sweet apple. I mean, the outside is caramel, so it's sugar. I don't know if I can eat this whole thing, but that's not bad.
My little treat is the Harambe Sunset. No alcohol, just sugar. Mango and strawberry? Awesome. Consuming a lot of sugar today, but that's okay. That's what Disney's for.
So Disney does this every once in a while. This is a callback to the poaching part that was on the safari that they don't have anymore. Love Animal Kingdom and the way they hide these things, all this detail.
Thankfully, it's cool today, but we've been coming here since it opened. We were here the first few months that it opened, and the vegetation was a lot smaller back then. And this bridge leading from the front of the park to the back lands We used to call the bridge from hell. Am I allowed to say hell?
Yeah, that's okay.
Because it was so hot. You were hot because you weren't getting any shade. And there was little tiny bits of shade. Everybody would stand to the side of the walkway and suck up that shade as they went. And then you hit this bridge that is only about 75 feet long, but it seemed about 7,500 feet long because it was full sun right here. And maybe they planned it that way so you get some drinks on the other side. But it's so nice today. We don't have to worry about it. Brings back sweaty memories. You can say oh again if you want.
Well, now it's not authentic.
Well, I didn't have the camera on, sorry.
I was excited. I have a couple. See? So I have a mini caramel apple, grapes.
Those are cookies. Because that looks like a tray.
Oh my goodness.
Am I allowed to trade?
Now-
We're going to give you one more.
Yay! A cookie tray with little sugar cookies on it. It looks like there's little Mickey cookies and little mini bows. Yay! So I've gotten 4 trades so far, plus the 2 new pins. I am rocking the new merch today.
Okay, so that is the end of this Animal Kingdom video.
Yay!
Oh my goodness,
I have
did
a
you have a haul of pins?
Bag full of pins. I'm so excited. We didn't quite find a lot of holiday foods yet. We're finding that maybe they're not quite out yet, but that's okay. We'll still be on the search in other parks.
Right, and thank goodness there wasn't a lot of holiday treats because I was sweeted out
Treat it out.
with the caramel apple, but we're still going to be on the lookout next time we're here.
Definitely, we had a great time doing the safari and always the fantastic Expedition Everest.
Yes, probably my favorite mountain, although I do love Space Mountain, but...
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us.
Yes.
Thank you for subscribing to follow along with our adventures.
Thank you for liking the video too.
Hopefully you like it. And we'll see you next video.
Yes, bye.
Bye.